Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, the place where learning English is simple, clear, and most importantly, fun. I'm Mark.
And hi everyone, I'm Sarah. I am so excited to be here with you today.
It's great to have you, Sarah. You seem to have a lot of energy today. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic, Mark, but I have a confession to make.
Oh, what is it?
I skipped breakfast this morning, so honestly, I could eat a horse.
Whoa, hold on there, Sarah. That is a great idiom to start the day. Listeners, did you hear that? Sarah said she could eat a horse.
Don't worry, I don't actually want to eat a horse. It just means I'm extremely hungry. I'm starving.
Exactly. It's a very common English idiom. Well, Sarah, since you are so hungry, I think today's topic is going to be perfect for you.
Let me guess, are we talking about food?
You bet. Today we are doing a deep dive into English at a restaurant. We aren't just doing the basics today. We are going to learn how to book a table, ask for changes to your meal, handle problems, and pay the bill like a native speaker.
That sounds delicious. I mean, educational. I'm already thinking about burgers, fries, and maybe a cold soda.
You're making me hungry now, too. Before we start feasting on vocabulary, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And please give this video a thumbs up or a like if you love food as much as I do. It really helps our channel grow.
Share it with your friends so you can practice role-playing together. Ready to start, Sarah?
I was born ready. Let's eat.
Okay, let's imagine the scene. You are standing outside a nice restaurant. It's Friday night, so it is busy. What is the first thing you need to deal with?
The reservation.
Right. If the restaurant is popular, you usually need to book in advance. So, you walk up to the host or hostess. What do you say?
If I called ahead, I would say, "Hi, I have a reservation under the name Sarah."
Perfect. Under the name is a very useful phrase. It means the name written in their book. Listeners, repeat after Sarah.
I have a reservation under the name Sarah.
Now, what if you didn't book a table? What if you just walked in?
That happens to me a lot. I would say, "Do you have a table for two?"
Correct. Or if it looks very crowded, you might ask, what is the wait time for a table of two?
Oh, that's a good one. Sometimes they might say, "It's about a 20-minute wait."
And here's a pro tip. If you want to sit somewhere specific, you have to ask politely.
Like, "Can we sit by the window?" Or, "Do you have a booth available?"
Exactly. A booth is that comfortable cushioned seating. A table usually has chairs.
Okay, so let's practice a quick role play of arriving.
Good evening. Welcome to the Tasty Spoon. Do you have a reservation?
Hi, no, we don't. Do you have a table for two?
Let me check. We are quite busy tonight. It might be a 15-minute wait.
That's fine. We can wait.
Great. Can I get your name, please?
It's Sarah.
Thanks, Sarah. Feel free to wait at the bar. We'll call you when your table is ready.
See? Very natural.
I liked how you said, "Feel free to wait at the bar." It sounded very welcoming.
Okay, we are seated. The waiter hands us the menu.
And usually the first thing they ask about is drinks, right?
Yes, the waiter will often say, "Can I start you off with something to drink?"
If I want water, is there a difference in what I ask for?
Great question. In many countries, you have three choices. Tap water, this is regular water from the faucet, usually free. Still water, bottled water, no bubbles. Sparkling water, bottled water with bubbles, carbonated.
I prefer tap water with lemon, so I would say, "I'll just have some tap water with lemon, please."
Perfect. Now let's look at the menu sections. We usually have appetizers or starters, small dishes to start, entrees or mains, the big meal, sides, extra food like fries or vegetables.
Wait, Mark. I sometimes get confused. In America, an entree is the main dish, but in some other countries, an entree is the starter.
That is a very important point. American English, appetizer, start, entree, main. UK European English, starter, start, main course, main. Since we are focusing on international English, main course is usually the safest, clear term.
Got it. Main course.
The waiter comes back. He asks, "Are you ready to order?"
What if I need more time? I'm indecisive.
You can say, "Could we have a few more minutes, please?"
But if I am ready, I want to sound polite. I shouldn't just say, I want the burger. That sounds rude, doesn't it?
Yes, "I want" is a bit too direct. It sounds like a demand. We want to use softeners. Here are the 3 magic phrases. I'd like the, I would like. I'll have the, I will have. Could I please have the?
I use I'll have the most. It feels natural. I'll have the chicken sandwich, please.
Now let's talk about modifications. This is where students often get stuck. What if you don't want onions?
I would say, can I have that without onions?
Good. Or you can say, hold the onions. Hold in restaurant slang means leave it off.
What if I want the sauce, but I don't want it on my salad? I want to control how much I use.
Then you say, could I get the dressing on the side, please? On the side is a very useful phrase.
Okay, let's try a harder ordering scenario. I'm going to be a difficult customer.
Scenario 2, ordering with special requests. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. I'd like the Caesar salad, please.
Excellent choice.
But could I get the dressing on the side? And does that come with croutons?
Yes, it has croutons.
Actually, I'm gluten-free. Could you leave the croutons off, please?
Of course, no croutons. Would you like to add any protein to that? Chicken or shrimp?
I'll have the grilled chicken, but make sure it's not too dry.
I'll make a note of that. Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Sarah, you were a little demanding there. Make sure it's not too dry.
I know, but sometimes you have to be specific.
You did a great job using could I and please. As long as you smile and say please, you can ask for almost anything. We can't talk about restaurants without talking about how things are cooked, specifically meat and eggs.
Oh, this is tricky. If I order a steak, the waiter always asks, how would you like that cooked?
Right. Listeners, here is your scale from raw to burnt. Rare is red and cool in the middle. Medium rare is red and warm, the most popular choice. Medium is pink in the middle. Medium well is slightly pink. Well done, no pink, brown all the way through.
I like my steak medium rare. It's the juiciest. What about you, Mark?
I'm a medium guy. Now, what about eggs? If you order breakfast, they will ask, how do you want your eggs?
Here are the terms: scrambled, mixed up and fluffy, fried, cooked in oil, sunny side up, fried but the yellow yolk is runny and looks like a sun, over easy, fried and flipped but the yolk is still runny, poached, cooked in water, soft.
That is a great vocabulary list. Listeners, maybe pause the video here and write those down.
Mark, sometimes things go wrong. The food is cold or it's the wrong order.
This is uncomfortable, but you need to know how to complain politely. You don't want to get angry.
So I shouldn't scream, "This is terrible"?
Definitely not. The best phrase to start a complaint is, excuse me, I'm afraid.
I'm afraid? Like I'm scared?
No. In this context, I'm afraid is a polite way to introduce bad news. Excuse me, I'm afraid this soup is cold. I'm afraid I ordered the chicken, not the beef.
That sounds very British and polite.
It works everywhere. It softens the blow. Another good phrase is, there seems to be a mistake.
Let's practice this. You brought me the wrong food.
Here is your spicy pasta. Enjoy.
Oh, excuse me? Waiter?
Yes, ma'am. Is everything okay?
I'm afraid there seems to be a mistake. I ordered the creamy pasta, not the spicy pasta.
Oh, I am so sorry about that. I must have misheard you.
No problem. Could you change it for me?
Absolutely. I'll take this back to the kitchen right away. It'll just be a few minutes.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You handled that perfectly. You were firm, but nice.
And saying no problem helps the waiter feel less stressed.
So, We are eating. The food is delicious. Suddenly, the waiter comes by and asks, "Is everything to your liking?" Or, "How is everything tasting?"
And usually my mouth is full of food when they ask.
Every time. You just nod and say, it's great, thank you."
Let's look at some idioms describing how we feel after eating. Earlier, I said I could eat a horse, but what if I eat too much?
You can say, "I'm stuffed," like a teddy bear stuffed with cotton. It means you are completely full.
Or, I'm in a food coma. That means I'm so full I want to sleep.
What if you can't finish your meal? You have food left on the plate.
I would ask for a box. In America, they used to call it a doggy bag.
True, but doggy bag is a bit old-fashioned now. It's better to say, "Could I get this to go?" Or, "Could I have a box for this, please?"
Can I pack the leftovers?
Exactly. Leftovers is the food that remains.
Even if I'm stuffed, I have a separate stomach for dessert.
Common restaurant rule. The waiter asks, "Did you save room for dessert?"
Yes, I'll have the cheesecake.
Okay, dessert is finished. Now comes the painful part.
Paying money.
To get the paper that tells you how much to pay, you ask for the bill, UK standard, the check, US.
Excuse me, could we have the check, please?
Now, Sarah, imagine we are eating together. Who pays?
Well, Mark, since you invited me.
Ha ha! Okay, here are 3 ways to pay. It's on me. I will pay for everyone. It is my treat. Let's split the bill. We divide the total by 2, 50-50. Or, let's go Dutch.
Going Dutch is an idiom. It means everyone pays only for what they ate. If I had a salad and you had a steak, I pay for the salad, you pay for the steak.
Exactly. It's very fair. And finally, tipping.
This is cultural. In the US, you must tip 15 to 20% of the bill to the waiter. In other countries, it's not necessary, or you just leave a small amount.
Always check the culture of the country you're in. Okay, listeners, we have learned a lot. Booking tables, ordering with "I'd like," cooking styles, complaining politely, asking for the bill.
Let's put it all together in one big final role play. Setting, a nice dinner. Characters, Mark is the waiter, Sarah is the customer.
Ready? Action! Good evening. Welcome to the Golden Fork. Do you have a reservation?
Hi, yes, I have a reservation under the name Miller.
Ah, yes, right this way. Here is the menu. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, please. I'll have a glass of sparkling water. And do you have any iced tea?
We do.
Great. I'll have an iced tea as well, please.
Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order food?
I think so. For the starter, I'll have the tomato soup.
Excellent. And for the main course?
I'm looking at the steak frites. How is that served?
It comes with a 10-ounce ribeye and French fries.
Okay, I'll have that.
How would you like your steak cooked?
Medium rare, please. And could I substitute the fries for a side salad? I'm trying to be healthy.
Certainly. Steak, medium rare, sub salad. Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Here we are. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Oh, excuse me.
Yes?
I'm so sorry, but I asked for the salad, but this plate has fries on it.
Oh my goodness, I completely forgot to switch them. I am so sorry.
It's no problem.
I'll bring a fresh salad bowl out for you immediately. You can keep the fries if you like.
That's very kind, thank you.
Was everything delicious?
Yes, the steak was perfect. I am absolutely stuffed.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Oh, I couldn't possibly. I'll just take the check, please.
Sure. Here you go.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we take all major cards.
Great. The service was wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great night. That was a marathon. How did that feel, Sarah?
It felt very real. I really liked how we practiced the mistake with the fries. That happens all the time in real life.
It does. And the key is that you didn't get angry. You just pointed out the mistake, and I fixed it.
Listeners, here are your top 3 takeaways from today. Be polite. Use could I, may I, and please. Be specific. Don't be afraid to ask for things on the side or without onions. Use your idioms. Try saying, I'm stuffed, or let's split the bill.
We have a little homework for you today.
Oh, I love giving homework. We want you to go to the comments section below.
Tell us your favorite meal to order at a restaurant, but you must write it as a full sentence using the phrase, I'd like.
For example, I'd like a pepperoni pizza with extra cheese.
Or, I'd like sushi with soy sauce on the side.
We will be reading the comments and correcting your grammar.
Thank you so much for tuning in to English Radio Channel. We hope this lesson makes you feel hungry for more English learning.
And hungry for food. I'm going to go get that burger now.
Enjoy your meal, Sarah. Goodbye, everyone.
Keep practicing and keep smiling. Bye!